Hello and welcome to HandiWorks. Get started on a creative new project today. I personally enjoy stitching on osnaburg because of the weave and its natural color, which allows me to embellish it with all sorts of brightly colored flosses and stitches. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Regular 6-stranded floss is a divisible thread up to a point. I post weekly videos right here on my YouTube channel. Once you master this technique, you can apply it in many different ways, such as putting them in a picture frame and make a nice wall art or table decor, or sewing it on a decorative cushion, clothes, or bag, and so on. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Thank you for watching HandiWorks. If you want more videos like this, go to the description box down below. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.